I was planning a trip from Zurich to Singapore when I realized a clever travel hack. It was actually cheaper to fly into Kuala Lumpur, stay overnight, and grab a budget regional flight to Singapore the next day than it was to fly direct. Check out the Grand Doorman's Colonial uniform. Pretty cool. So this detour gave me the perfect excuse to check into a true icon, the Majestic Hotel. The hotel has a rich history dating back to 1932. Thanks. Give that man a raise. As one of Malaysia's oldest and most iconic colonial-era hotels, it served as a gathering place for elites, hosted official functions, and was used as the Japanese High Command during World War II. Today, it stands proudly as a designated National Heritage Site. Beyond its 300 luxury rooms and suites, the hotel is famous for its unique atmosphere. It boasts a classic cigar room, the stunning Orchid Conservatory, and a world-class spa inspired by the Art Deco elegance of the 1920s and 1930s. I didn't have time to film these, but definitely check them out if you stay at the hotel. Here is the reception on the right. The corridor was very smart with the white carpet. Deluxe King Tower Wing 1012, virtual visit. Here is my objective assessment. A 4-poster bed. What luxury.
Positive points.
Tea and coffee making facilities, including Nespresso-style machine. Complimentary bottles of water. Minibar. Safe in room. Iron in room. Bathrobes in room. TV in the bathroom. Rainfall showerhead. Scales in the bathroom. Phone to TV pairing. Staff very polite and friendly.
Negative points.
European cooked breakfast options not the best. Baked beans, but not Heinz, and no bacon. Apart from that, breakfast was nice. Though it's not really a negative, I was disappointed not to find a sauna near the pool. I stayed in July 2025. The room including breakfast cost around 521 Malaysian ringgit. That was equivalent to around 123 US dollars. 5-star hotels in Malaysia are incredibly good value for money. Here is the minibar price list and instructions on how to use the coffee machine. Plenty of drink options, but no strong alcohol. The hairdryer. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the rating I give to the hotel at the end of the video. Click on the top right to see another review of a Marriott Autograph Collection hotel, the Hotel Telegraph in Tallinn. Both are iconic hotels with rich histories and deep ties to their respective cities. I wonder what this does. Watching TV in the bath, how fun is that? The rainfall shower head. Mangosteen is a toiletries brand from Malaysia with a social conscience. They channel 100% of their profits to organizations and initiatives that empower women and children. Definitely worth checking out. The toilet has a water jet. That is the case for most toilets in Malaysia. Very stylish scales. Here is the view from the window. In my opinion, it looks quite nice with quite a lot of green. Pity we can't see the highest building in Malaysia, the Merdeka 118. I will mention it again in the pool area as it is visible from there. Here is the breakfast area. It is quite empty because it was early in the morning. Here are the Western food options. Here are the baked beans. As I mentioned before, they are not from the brand Heinz. Because Heinz baked beans are so iconic, I would say that it's better not to have any than to use another brand. Eggs to order. Nice selection of fresh fruit. Plenty of pastries and cakes. Juices and smoothies. Here are the salads and Malaysian options. Sambal. Here are the cereals, yogurts, and muesli. And finally, here are the hot drink options. Here is the gym. Here is the main pool. There is a second pool near the spa, but I didn't have time to film it. From the pool, there is a nice view of the Merdeka 118. At the time of filming, it was the highest tower in Southeast Asia and the second tallest in the world behind the Burj Khalifa. By the pool, there is a serene rooftop garden. Further up on the left is the St. Regis Hotel, and then Central, Kuala Lumpur's main station. My rating 4.5.